down the front carpet. Just the front carpet. Okay guys, just thought I'd give you an update on the Fiesta. As you can see, we've made a little bit of progress. We've got a new tailgate on the car, as well as the crash bar. We have got a bumper, just not fitted it yet because there's still some work. It's got to be done on this this quarter, as well as just down here, a few pulls, etc. See, we've now got a new door mirror, no longer hanging off. Somebody's alarm's just gone off. We've repaired the headlight. Also giving it a full service, as well as replacing the timing belt. So you've got a new expansion tank. The old one found had been tampered with, and when the car got up to temperature, it just spewed water out everywhere because they were sealed. It wasn't sealing properly, so we had to get a new one. Obviously, one of the biggest transformations being inside. It's now clean, well, cleaner. We've still got to give it a final detail once everything's done, but it's got to go to body shop for some paint, so it's pointless going all out until it's been painted. Otherwise, you'll know it'll just come back covered in dust and stuff. So, but it's cleaner in here. Seats looking a lot better. That centre console is looking a lot cleaner. So we've got to go over with some dressing, put some rejuvenation in the plastics a little bit. And obviously the rear seats, again, no mould. We have got the seat base, which is here. You can see two in the picture. This one here was the original, but it's trashed. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but must have had a dog or something in the back seat because it's literally ruined it. So we picked this one up on eBay. It's just almost dry, but yeah, it's a lot better. It'll work a lot better on the car. So in regards to the car itself, not much left to do now. Just got to do a final fit of the rear bumper. Once I've got to play with these down here and send it to a body shop and get this sorted and painted. So we'll catch you in the next one.